Hello friends, very interesting question, very frequently asked basically. What is checkpoint or lazy writer? Many people confuse between both. Okay, checkpoint, what checkpoint does, what lazy writer does. So if you know the answer of difference between lazy writer and checkpoint, then you can just like. If you don't know, please comment and subscribe my channel and share to your colleagues and friend circle. Okay, so the difference between checkpoint and lazy writer is, here we can discuss like, flush dirty pages to the disk, keep database recovery as per defined threshold. That is the activity performed by the checkpoint. So checkpoint make the databases, okay, in a proper recovery or consistent state, or recoverable. Okay, and in other hand, dirty pages flush dirty and clean pages and keep free space to the buffer cache, recommending recommended new pages. So there's a difference. See, it is not writing data into the disk, basically it is cleaning the buffer. Okay, and dirty checkpoint is writing disk data from the dirty pages to the disk. General transaction in a checkpoint, general transaction record and the following write ahead log process plus flushes only the dirty pages. That is activity done by the checkpoint. It also depends on the recovery model, how we have to set the recovery model. That is, recovery model is full, bulk, lower and simple. So based on that, you have to set an interval, it is fired. Okay, you can check checkpoint lsn in the database boot pages. You can monitor checkpoint event by using the undocumented system function as well. The trace file, it is controlled by dba, means you can automate or you can run manual checkpoints. Okay, and lazy writer does not it does not make any entry in the transactional log. Okay, it flushes both dirty and clean pages. It does not have any relation with the database recovery model. You can We cannot monitor lazy writer process because system process, both the system process basically, but we cannot check lazy writer processes. Okay, and it cannot be controlled by dba, means checkpoint can be controlled by dba, but lazy writer cannot be controlled by dba. Okay, so these are the difference between lazy writer, checkpoint and lazy writer, we can say that. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.